Now in this video, let me show you how you can rename files on your Mac computer. So as you can see on my desktop, I have a random screenshot in here, and there are actually more ways how you can rename it. First of all, if you right click on it with your mouse, you'll be able to see the more options which appear, and one of them should definitely be the rename. So you click on rename like this, and now the whole thing, like the whole name, got selected. So you can use your keyboard to delete the name and give it whatever name you want. Obviously it works fine like this. I'm gonna choose it to be the example name. You confirm it, and now as you can tell, the file is with that name. However, you might as well just click on it and click the enter key on your keyboard, and you get to the same edit mode right away. So as you can see, I didn't even have to right click on it, as we just got to there the same way, or even quicker using the keyboard. So I hope it helps. It's pretty much just that. It doesn't matter which file type we are talking about. It doesn't matter if it's PDF or a photo, screenshot, whatever else. That's how it works and how it applies to all of them. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.